events are always about connecting people, and I think that's what this event has done very well, bringing together different startups, different supporters of startups, but also investors.
So we as TheVentury are focused on supporting startups in their early stage. There are 3 different ways how we do it. So one is our Elevate Acceleration program, where we focus on a 6-month structured program to help the startups to get from their ideation stage to a product market fit. Another one is the growth base, where we also focus on data-driven marketing and growth hacking for startups. And the third one is we work with startups on a later stage on an individual basis.
This was an amazing event. This is my first time pitching in front of investors and a great jury. The questions were awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed all the pitches, and this was great because this is kind of a great stepping stone for a young startup like Polama to get to the next level.